very used, 1979 model, in great condition. Did not come with the bandsaw fence. My solution to that was to repurpose this old Delta table saw fence, and it almost fit in here, so fashioned this very precise fence block, patent pending, which goes right under the edge and is just perfect. Tighten it down. There's a rip fence. The height was occasionally a problem in adjusting this. You probably saw a lot of videos where I had this all the way up if I was ripping any smaller stock, but I am super excited to retire this